this is Marie Papashatsis. I'm the Makeup Junkie, and today I'm doing my Pop Sugar Winter Must-Have box unboxing. And sorry the box is so dirty looking. It got turned upside down and dirty when it was delivered. So it just looks disgusting. Anyway, here we go. I'm opening the box. It says, "Happiness delivered from Pop Sugar." So, there's just a little booklet that says, Winter 2019 Must-Have. I don't know what that is. What's this? It says, Merci. And it is, oh, paper company. It says Rifle Paper Company. Stationery. Gift blank cards and envelopes. Oh, so those are cards that are like thank you cards. Okay. Fast Bar Nutrition Bar. Okay. Experience fasting and nutrition for weight management and healthy aging. And this is a proprietary blend of nuts and cocoa powder. I'm fine with that. I like cocoa and nuts, especially pecans. This is Kapha. Hold on. It's heavy. Kapha Energizing, Rejuvenating, Invigorating Body Oil. Like that. This is Kevin Aucoin, the Neo Blush. Cool, I'm going to open that up. Hold on one second. Oh. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. It's an ombre blush. Shit. And let's see, what is this? This is a little box that says Thai. Hold on one second. Guess you have to untie it. Has jewelry in it. Oh, it's a little pair of huggy earrings. See, it's a little pair of gold huggy earrings. Those are gold huggy hoops. Those are very pretty. This, I don't know what this is. I'm going to have to take it out of the plastic. Hudson Bleecker. It says it's a Hudson Bleecker bag. See? Isn't that cute? It's adorable. I'm going to unzip it now. And the price on it, it's a Travel With Us Hudson Bleecker bag. Doesn't have a price. I'm opening it up. Get all the junk out. It opens up to reveal all of that, and it has a little inside with it that you take the stuff with. It's like a cosmetic, traveling cosmetic case. Okay. And this, I don't know what this is. This I'm going to have to see here. It says Nema overall. It's Glamour and Soul. Oh my, this is gorgeous. This is like a jewelry tray. Look at that. This is like a jewelry tray. Isn't that gorgeous? It's silver underneath, and on top it's black and white. You could probably use it for appetizers, or you could use it to hold your jewelry. And this is Apotheke White Vetiver Reed Diffuser. Well, I like reed diffusers. And then here it says, Happy Holidays, Beautiful, from Charles and Colvard. Look for a gorgeous gift at an amazing price. We've got you covered. Whether you're treating your sister, your mom, your girls, or yourself, give the timeless gift of Charles and Colvard moissanite jewelry this holiday season. Shop now and save 25% on your entire order when you apply the code below. charlesandcolvard.com. So you get a card like that, and that's it. That's it for the box. And honestly, I save these. You know what I do is I save these boxes, and I use them to store eyeshadow palettes. And it saves on having to buy boxes to put eyeshadow palettes in. These make great holders for eyeshadow palettes, and they're a lot cheaper than buying boxes for eyeshadow palettes. So anyway, that's Marie. I am the Makeup Junkie for the Pop Sugar Winter 2019 unboxing. Have a nice night. Goodbye.